Will was a high school student and he won a discrimination case against insurance giant QBE because they issued him a policy for travel insurance with a blanket mental health exclusion, and they denied his claim for coverage because of his mental illness. He was planning to go on a school trip. He then developed depression and was medically unfit to travel.
I was 17 at the time and I was pretty new to talking about mental health. When I got the initial refusal, I just remember feeling really confused. Everything that I'd learnt about mental health previous to my diagnosis was a lot of shame, a lot of stigma. Getting knocked back perpetuated that feeling and really made me feel ashamed.
QBE fought the case really strongly and it took years for Will to achieve an outcome. But he had an incredible sense of justice the entire time and saw the benefit to others by pursuing this case.
I started hearing from different people that were in similar situations, which made me really want to take it as far as I could.
Will won his case. BCAT found that QBE did discriminate against him by issuing him a policy with a blanket mental health exclusion. We were over the moon. Will came to our offices and we gave each other a huge hug. It was a wonderful moment.
It was just incredibly exciting, and then it became more about standing up to such a big company and saying, you know, this is not okay.
The Charter was really important to this case because it meant that the meaning of disability under the Equal Opportunity Act was interpreted in a way that promotes human rights and promoted Will's right to equality and non-discrimination. Will's case is really important because it held the insurance company to account for its discriminatory practices. They were creating their travel insurance policies based on outdated stereotypes and assumptions rather than statistical evidence and a nuanced understanding, and ultimately led to industry changes that improved their approach to travel insurance policies.
I'd taken this great big challenge and I was right in doing that. There was just that deep feeling of this is wrong. I'm glad that I went through what I had to go through and yeah, it made it all worth it, definitely.